Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an EasySMX ESM-4108 game controller and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this reset for a couple of reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the controller is not responding, or if it's lagging, or if certain buttons are not working, or any other kind of troubleshooting needs you might have, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you want to go ahead and pair it with a new device, it's good to just do a reset on it to clear everything out. And it's very easy to do. All you're going to need is like a paper clip or a safety pin or something like that. Just make sure it's not too sharp so it can't damage the device. One of those iPhone SIM card ejectors works really well. So all we need to do is turn our controller around to the back, and it's a little bit hidden because it's part of this in this little information card here. But you'll see the dot at the bottom of it. That's actually a little reset hole. You can stick your pin in there and hold it for just a second, and that will reset your controller to its default mode, and you can go ahead and set it up.